Okay guys, today we'll be doing a quick and easy perm rod set for the natural hair girlies. Now perm rods are not as easy as it looks. It really fooled me. So I did find another technique to do this. So I just decided to twist my roots and then leave some of my hair out at the bottom and just perm rod that section. In the beginning of doing the perm rod set, it was difficult for me to get all my hair onto that perm rod. So I think next time I'll probably either choose a bigger perm rod or maybe work in smaller sections than what I did. But honestly and truly, twisting my roots made this process so much easier. It made it faster, and honestly it didn't require too much work. I also think that next time I'll probably like drench my hair in the mousse. I feel like I did use enough, but I could have used more. So yeah, to take down my perm rods, I use the Main Choice Alpha Growth Oil. It is definitely a lightweight oil to minimize any sort of frizz. Honestly and truly, the bounce and the shine of my curls looked so good, and I was actually really excited to see what my end results will look like. I would also say that my roots probably were a little bit more frizzy, of course, because I had to twist it instead of going the original route, but I really wasn't mad at the results. I had a lot of volume. I think the curls were curling, and if you guys do see a little bit of flakes in my hair, it's not from the mousse. I did a DIY protein treatment before this, and it did leave a little bit of residue on my hair. So just to let you guys know, the flakes are not from the mousse itself. Overall, I loved my results, and I think my hair looks very bouncy. It looks good, and I would say this set maybe lasted me for about 3 days. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about my results.